Hi guys, how are you? Oh, that was aggressive. Oh my god.
Okay. All of this money, I need a bank. Skip the deposit straight to the safe. Watch how you talking, I'm with the gang. We gon' run it up, ayy. All of this money, I need a bank. Skip the deposit straight to the safe. Yeah, go. Watch how you talking, I'm with the gang. We gon' run it up. Elevating, time to devastate them.
Okay. Sunlight. What the? God. Can I? Oh, no. Let's just ignore this sun. Sun's really playing me right now. Hi guys, how are you guys today? Good afternoon. Yes, I said afternoon. It's not the morning, and I know I haven't said that in so long. Sorry. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. We've been gone. We're back. Hi. Lots of new people here, guys. We hit 1,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Thank you guys so much. Honestly, like, this is something that, you know, we did for fun. We never realized that people would actually subscribe and comment. You guys are so sweet. You guys are the best. I love you guys so much. But yeah, so to get straight to the point, we've been gone. We've been busy. Okay, like, we've been busy. There's some things we gotta catch you guys up on. But for now, okay, I've been filming, okay? Bear with me, guys. But it's kind of a hot mess. I had some footage and I didn't want to just trash it, but at the same time, like, I wasn't really able to organize it. It was kind of just me like, oh, hey, this looks interesting. Let me whip out my phone. Let me whip out my camera. So sorry that we fell off the face of the earth for a small while, but we are back and everything's going good. And I missed you guys so much. Oh, you just ran over the curb. This guy had so much space to make the turn, and he ran over the curb. Why? Anyways, but yeah, so we miss you guys. Thank you so much on 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. That's crazy. I mean, honestly, we're a little bit over. We're a little bit over 1,000 subscribers. I'm a little late on the thank you, but thank you guys. Thank you. And I appreciate all the kind words. Bro, man. I appreciate all the kind words. You guys are so sweet and we love you so much. And I can't wait to continue to put out more content for you guys. No, it's this brush. Can I live? Okay. But yeah, so other than that, I mean, we have some exciting news to tell you guys. Yes. Oh, look at him, the cleaning. That was aggressive. I asked him, I was like, can you get fuel while I film this intro really quick? And look at him. Look at his face. Oh, stupid face. Look at it. Anyways, but yeah, so sweet. But yeah, guys, so I just needed to make this really quick, and I hope you enjoy the video. I love you guys so much, and we'll see you next week with a new video. Yeah, I said it. Boop. Every Sunday. Actually, I might cut that out because y'all gonna hold me to it. So, we'll see you next week. Bye. Still going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You want it? Okay. Come on. You swimming? You're a good girl. Your blue toenails.
Oh yeah, my blue toenails. Hey girl.
Oh, you're a good girl. Hi, Abby. Abby. Hi. So we're here waiting for them to put our truck in the shop and get our A service. Just chilling. I got us some dinner. Yeah, the landing gear is sync. Yeah, because only one of the landing gears are in the mud. That's why it's leaning. When the what? All right. You're spinning. Go. For me, usually I get the bypass. If you've ever been in Washington, they have the road signs. So usually it says truck bypass, way station. No, not this day. This day it said truck must exit to Scales. So already I'm kind of like, okay, that's weird, you know, because we're in Washington probably about like every other day. So I was like, okay, like that's kind of weird, whatever, not a big deal. So I pull up, there's a truck ahead of me, the truck pulls off the scale, I pull onto the scale. By the time my steers get on that scale, that green light at the top turned red and said stop. I was like, what? Why? You know, like why do I need to stop? So I was so confused. I was looking around like, you know, is there something wrong? Like anything? And all of a sudden I looked to my left and here comes a DOT officer. And I was like, oh, okay, you know, still kind of like not a big deal. Like, okay, I rolled down my window. He was really nice guy. He was like, you know, hey, good morning. Like, you know, we're just gonna do a quick paperwork check. I was like, all right. And he started asking me all these questions. He's like, where did you pick this up? I'm like, Whittier, California. Where is it going? Fife, Washington. What are you hauling? FedEx stuff. Like, I don't know. And, you know, I'm like, okay. And then he was like, he asked me for my license. He asked me for my bills, my bill of ladings. And then he's like, oh yeah, and then I'm just gonna do a quick log check. You know, so I had to go into the Qualcomm and send over my logs to him. And then he's like, okay, I want you to go down, blah, 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 park facing the building. Or he's like, park across from the building. I was like, and then he tells me that I have to wait outside my truck. So I was like, okay. So I did that. I went and I parked and I got out of the truck and it was cold and it was drizzling and I was confused and I was just sitting there waiting. He came out, walked over, he goes, okay, now he's like, go ahead and get back in the driver's seat. So I was like, okay. So I got in the driver's seat and then he gave me all my paperwork and my license and stuff back. And then he was like, okay. And he gives me this guy. And he was like, you know, no violations, you're good to go. I was like, cool, sweet. He says that it's good for a year. I don't know, like that was pretty cool. So I sent it over to safety and got $50 on my check extra for having a clean inspection. Definitely surprised. Like that is something that I've never experienced before, and I've been driving for a couple of years now, so it was a first for me.
I need the bag, I need the Gucci, I need the Guala, yeah.